let me show you how I make what I like to call my antipasto chicken salad. We love chicken salad in this household. I actually make it a lot, and I don't think I have ever posted like a classic chicken salad recipe, but this version is outstanding. Think of all the things you like in an antipasto, but in a chicken salad. Start off with a dressing, which is just mayo, Italian seasoning, lots of parm, grated garlic, and a little bit of red wine vinegar. And then, I don't know if you noticed that, I meant to add a little bit of the Peperoncini brine, and it came out of the back of the bottle because the lid was not sealed. Give everything a really good stir with a healthy pinch of salt, and then set this aside. This is so flavorful, you cannot imagine. Now, when it comes to the chicken, when you're shredding it, look at what I'm doing. I'm pinching it in my fingers. You want it to have a very, very finely shredded texture. Otherwise, it just will not work for chicken salad. This has to be like so fine. It's almost like, it looks almost strange, but trust me, it works. And then I diced up some Shallot provolone. I did a combination of soppressata and spiced salami and added that all in there. And then I added some shallots. You could use red onion. I just happen to have a lot of shallots on hand. A little parsley for color, flavor, and freshness. And then for the tomatoes, I only like to do a small handful because tomatoes can be a little bit too wet and therefore it can change the texture of this. But a little tomato is so lovely. Again, you get that sweetness, that freshness, and it's just so good when it's all combined together. Now, you could add olives to this. You can add anything you like in your antipasto, okay? Make it totally your own. This is just happens to be what I always have on hand. And one of my favorite parts about this is all the pepperoncini. I added about 7 of them, and I add like the seeds and all because the seeds are so tender. You'll never even know that they're in there. And give everything a really good stir. Stir for a while, and I actually like to use a spatula to really compact everything because chicken salad is compacted. You know what I mean? It's coated in that mayo dressing. It's so flavorful. You cannot even imagine. The recipe will be written for you down in the description below. I hope that you make it. Let this sit in the fridge for like half hour to an hour before you serve it for really sensational flavor. Serve it with crackers or on a slice of bread as a sandwich, and I just know you will love it. It's such a favorite, and I'm telling you, you'll never make chicken salad any other way again. Enjoy.